If you guys feel that heavy energy today, listen to me, you're not alone, okay? There's some crazy planetary things going on. And so I'm here to tell you, you're not crazy. You're not insane. It's all in the energy, it's all in the air. Give me a snack to go outside. Yeah. My kids, they're very, very affected by the moon, the stars, the planets, like, so from, they, you know what's so crazy? These kids were up all night long and they have been sleeping really good. I've got them on a pretty good schedule and like, anyway. And so it's just crazy how they are affected as well. And, I fell asleep with Isabella last night, my 4-year-old, at like 9 o'clock. At midnight, my husband put, not at midnight. My son fell asleep on the couch with my husband. I put my 9-year-old to bed before the 4-year-old, like tucked her in, whatever. Me and the 4-year-old were laying together, listening to music, holding hands, whatever, right? My kids just need that. Like, they know how to soothe themselves. They know how to put themselves to bed. But because we are so loving and I love you and hugging and kissing 24/7, that at nighttime, they just need that extra comfort. And so either me or my husband will lay with them till they fall asleep. But the problem lately has been that we're falling asleep with them. And either him and I have no time together, or I don't get done what I needed to get done before bed, and then I have to do it the next day, and you know, the cycle continues. So anyway, long story short, they were just all up and down all night. So I fell asleep with her, then one woke up at midnight, then I got him tucked, then another one woke up at 2, then I got them settled, and it's because there's so much going on planetarily that they are affected by it. From the second they woke up this morning, because the energy is just so heavy. And it's not that it's a negative energy, it's actually a really, really good energy. And I'm going to teach you guys how to deal with this particular energy here in just a minute. I'm going to take them outside. They've been waiting very patiently. I'm going to eat my breakfast and have my vitamins, and then I'll be back to you. But it's not as heavy as you think. It's actually a good energy, and I'm going to teach you how to embrace it, to bring abundance, love, whatever it is you want into your life. I'll teach you how to use this energy to get it. Okay, y'all, it's been some time. I don't even know where I left off or anything like that. When my kids are here, I really try to give them my undivided attention. And then once they went to sleep, I was like cleaning like a mad woman. My husband's about to be home, so I figured that I would just finish this video really quick because, y'all, I have to get this message out to you today. February 28th is a crazy planetary alignment day. Like, I don't think you understand. If you feel that energy, it's because it's very heavy, but how to transmute this energy and use it for good. Okay, I don't know your exact situation. I don't know what you have going on, okay, but the biggest thing to manifestation and like getting the things that you want is visualizing. I talk about it all the time because I stay in a state of visualization. Someday I'll be able to talk. Visualization at all the time. And it takes a while to get your brain to notice that you're worrying or notice that you're anxious or depressed and transmute that energy into something positive. My glasses are driving me nuts because they're foggy. I need to get a new pair. But once you can recognize your thoughts and your feelings, I've talked about this in a different video. That's when you can kind of dissect things, and you can start to realize, okay, why am I feeling this way in that moment? What about this situation is making me worry, making me anxious, making me depressed, right? And so on days like today, where the planetary alignment is just insane, I don't know if you guys notice, like on full moons, people just go batshit crazy, and that's because the energy is just so heavy. This is the same thing. There's planets that are all in a line. You can just look it up, okay? February 28th, I forget what they call it. But there's planets that are all in a line, okay? And this hasn't happened for several decades, hundreds of years. I don't know the exact amount, but it hasn't happened in a very long time. And what this energy is bringing, like full moon energy, but right now we are in the new moon energy, which if you know anything about this kind of stuff, then people think the full moon is when you're supposed to manifest, but the full moon is really when you release. The new moon is when you want to manifest. But with these planets, we have new moon energy. So what I want you to do is release, baby. Whatever's worrying you, whatever is on your mind, whatever makes you just have that feeling of like regret, like, oh, I don't want to make a mistake, or, you know, whatever the case may be. I want you to sit with it. I just talked to my cousin about this, okay? A lot of people are going through it today, and that's why I'm here. I look like shit. Don't care. I'm not here for that. But this is what you're going to do. Okay, and if you listen to me, matter of fact, at the end of this, if you stick with me, I'm going to teach you how to manifest your first $100 after you release, okay? So what I want you to do is, whatever it is, whatever's on your mind, okay? Whatever your thoughts, whatever's going on, sit with it. Allow yourself to have the space to sit with whatever it is, okay? Go inward. Don't talk to nobody about this. Don't say anything to anybody. This is a spiritual journey, and this is between you, your higher self, and your higher power, okay? Nobody can help you through this. You have to just get your big girl, big boy panties on and go for the gusto, baby, okay? So what I want you to do is, again, sit with it. Give yourself the space. Don't feel sorry for don't feel bad about feeling bad about it. Don't feel bad about obsessing over it, whatever it is, okay? Then, after a little bit, okay, once you're like, all right, I'm tired of feeling sorry for myself, enough is enough. I just went through this earlier with this person really trying to like copy everything. Anyway, it's weird. I just released it, and I'm like, you know what? They can never have my pizzazz. It's like a good recipe, right? I saw a video yesterday and she was explaining, it's like a good recipe. Do you ever know why you can't make your grandmother's mac and cheese taste the same? Because she puts a twist, she puts a little extra pizzazz. She puts her touch, her love into it. So yeah, sure, you can get the same ingredients. You can do the exact same things. You can get the same pans. You can get the same elbow macaroni, the same cheese, the same butter, and you can try to replicate it, and it'll be close maybe. But sometimes it's going to turn out completely different. You know why? Because you put your love, your personality, and your energy into it. So it's totally different. And so I'm like, there's absolutely no comparison. I'm Louis Vuitton. This person is like worse than Walmart, okay? Like, it just is what it is. I'm directly tied to stores. I'm directly tied to good. She's directly tied to scamming and harming people, knowing what she's doing and doing it purposely. You see, because she's scared. She doesn't know where to go. I was like, you know what? I can't live with myself. So either I don't care, I'm going to lose everything, which I knew I wouldn't. But I'm like, I don't care if I lose everything. I know the right thing to do is to not push this business side, approve it, and tell people that I'm going to help them change their lives, because I truly thought that's what I was doing. I am the type of person, I got to feel good about sleeping at night, or I got to feel good to lay down and sleep. So if I'm doing something that makes me feel ick, I can't. So I was like, I don't care what happens to me. I have to do the right thing. Once I saw the clues, I saw all these things, right? I was like, I cannot live with myself. This is disgusting. I explained to my team, I'm so sorry. Like, please Forgive me, I didn't realize the signs. I truly thought everything I was saying was wrong. But now that I know better, I have to do better. I can't live with myself if I don't, okay? So just to tell you that story is to explain to you that I live through this shit every day. I'm only telling you guys this stuff because I live it, okay? It's only from my personal own experience. I don't ever speak on anybody else's experience because it's theirs, okay? This is just me, my mind, my soul, whatever, right? So what I did was I went onto YouTube. I looked up a protection subliminal, and I listened to that for a while, okay? And I was like, you know what? Please take this thought from me. I know that good things are on the horizon for March. I want to focus on me, myself, my community, my business, my loved ones, my kids, my husbands, me. And it's not to be selfish, but actually it is. Because you know what? I love myself enough to put myself first, because I know that I cannot take care of anybody else if I'm not good mentally, physically, emotionally, right? And so I was like, please, God, universe, take this from me, protect me, and I want to release this shit. Release. And I released it. And I just feel this lift of energy. I feel so amazing. I know amazing things are to come. And the key is you just keep thanking the universe for whatever is to come. I don't know what's to come. Like if you watch me on Instagram, you'll see my stories last night. I literally had to pull my car over and I was like, I know you guys are going to think I'm batshit crazy and like I'm high. I'm high on life. I was like laughing. I was so excited. And I was telling this story of how in my addiction, I was just driving and I got this memory vividly as if I was in that spot, right? And the memory was back in my addiction, I was homeless. I met this guy. He spent his entire life savings on putting me and my boyfriend up in a hotel and giving me money for drugs every day. And I don't know, anyway, this guy, I took all his money, you guys, and that's horrible to say, but I don't know who that person was. That's not me. I'm 11 years sober. I look back like, oh my God, Melissa. If y'all want story times, let me know. We could totally do that. I could tell y'all stories for days. But anyway, the point I'm trying to make to you is he lived 2 hours away. When he ran out of money, he was like, well, I guess you guys are going to have to come live with me, right? This was Lancaster, Pennsylvania. I'm in Delaware. Anyway, it took about 2 hours to get to the city every single day to go get drugs. That's just, if you don't like that, I don't know what to tell you. It's the truth. I'm a very different person now. But anyway, the memory was I was in his car and I'm looking out the window and I'm crying. Nobody knew I was crying, but I was crying. I'm dope sick. I'm shaking. I feel hot, cold, like I'm literally gonna die. And I'm looking out the window. Just the same memory every day, right? It's the same thing every day, the same roads every day, the same drive every day, the same. And I'm like, there has to be more to life than this. There just has to be. And you know, that time I got picked up a few months later was the time that I got my shit together. Okay, so anyway, I'm driving, that memory comes to me where I'm thinking there has to be more to life, and then I'm magically in my car with my daughter, and she's happy singing, and I'm happy, and I'm in this world now, right? That's how fast it happens, and I'm like, holy shit, like, I am so lucky. I was like crying, laughing, like the emotions just like, it just hit me how freaking lucky I am, okay? And I'm like, I had to stop my car and pull over, and I'm like, I'm so excited. Why? Because I know March is going to be amazing. Oh, how do you know March is going to be amazing? What's coming? I don't freaking know. All I know is it's going to be amazing. Then today, you know, I had some troubles, and then I released. I'm like, no more. I cannot do this anymore. I released it. And now I'm going to have the most amazing day. I am done with that. So, full moon energy, release. Okay? Then, when you're ready to manifest, okay, if you stuck with me this long, you're amazing. Drop a $ down below. Because money isn't everything, but we need money to survive. Money makes your life so much easier. Money gives you opportunities. Money makes you help your family, your friends, and just listen. Money is not everything, but we need it. That's the reality. I love money because I get to use it for good. If I see somebody that needs something, I don't have to be like, man, I don't know if I got it. No, here you go. I got you. Here you go. I got you because I know it's coming back to me tenfold. I don't care if one person gets anything out of these videos. Most people would be like, oh my God, I'm losing thousands of subscribers. People are like so upset. I gotta just like give them what they want because I know I'll make more money. No, I don't care about money. I can't, but I'm gonna do what I feel that I need to do in this very present moment. And I would advise you all to do the same. Don't be a people pleaser, okay? Love yourself enough to put yourself first. When you have hard things that come, sit with it. It's okay. It's not the end of the world, okay? Look back on all the times you worried, all the things that have happened. And if you can look back, I guarantee you, most of them times, after it was all said and done, you went, why did I do that to myself? That didn't even turn out like my mind allowed me to think it would. Or you allowed your mind to let you think it would turn out like that, and it did because you manifested it. You see, we're so smart. You have got to be careful because some things could come in a different way. That's why they say be careful what you wish for. So visualize your dreams. Okay, you're amazing. I love you. I know this is all over the place, but that's just me. I have ADHD. I try my best to stay on track, but I'm really just here for the ones who need this message. I feel called to bring these to you. So let me know if this helps you guys. Happy planetary alignment. Happy new month. And I have a huge announcement. Oh my God, I'm freaking out. Okay. So if you guys are still here, okay, drop me a heart down below. Let me know you made it this far because y'all, okay, click the link down below and join my free community. It's going to be like daily motivational things, mindset tips. Now, I wanted to have a free place for everybody because I understand that not everybody can pay a monthly subscription or whatever. So I did want it for everybody. Everybody could be included. And then there will be things coming in the future that will be like behind a paywall or whatever. But of course, everybody has their own option to pay or you know, whatever I bring, you don't have to buy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm doing it for the ones who need it and will benefit from it. I could show y'all my bank account and how many digital products and things that I have bought to learn is insane. And I have so much to teach you guys, but I'm only one person. Like, I've spent a lot of money, time, and energy learning all the things I learned. And so, yeah, that's going to come at a cost because it's taken me 11 years to get where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? So, anyway, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for you. I'm so excited for us. And let's go into March with a freaking bang. Oh, last but not least. Y'all, I did not even know this. No, I did, but I forgot. Chocolate Tour came out with an After Dark line for adults. Y'all, I have to pop up on the screen these freaking transfers. I'm going to order like all of it right now. So maybe we'll do some of those fun projects because they're adult themed, cuss words, like, you know, sexy, whatever, adult stuff. It's really, really fun. So I will leave that link down below if you guys are interested in any of that. If you're my crafty people, if not, go, I don't know. Don't worry about it. But anyway, y'all, it's just the energy is so good. I love you guys to the moon and back. If nobody has told you today, girl, you are freaking stunning. What are you doing? Did you work out? Your butt is looking so freaking good, girl. I am so proud of you. Listen to me. If I can have this life, 11 years sober from heroin, in and out of prison, if I can do this, anybody can, and I'm here to show you, look what's possible, okay? So, if you're new, subscribe, share, do all the things, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Let me know what topics y'all want to hear next. Love y'all.